All right, so welcome to this test. This is the EC 427 test for this year, and that is a computer hardware maintenance and repair course. We want to test your knowledge. And the first question here, as you can see on the screen, is asking about the functions of the computer power supply units. So it asks you to explain briefly the functions of the power supply units of the computer system. So you get 2 points from there. Next question is number 2, still on the computer power supply units. Right here, we want to determine or want to establish the capacity of the power supply units, and then the component parts of the computer that is going to need this power supply unit is given here on this table. So it is desired to assemble a new computer system with the components power rating in the table here. So we need to determine the required power rating for the power supply units. So we have the table, we have the computer items and their power rating. We have the AGP card, 20 to 30 watts, the peripheral component interconnect card, 5 watts, small computer system interface, 20 to 25, and then network interface card, 4 watts, CD-ROM drive, 10 to 25 watts, the 4 GB RAM, 2.2 per 128 MB. Then we have the HDD of 12 watts, and the motherboard without any CPU or RAM, that is about 20 to 30 watts. Then we have 2 sets of CPU, and each consumes 30 watts each. So that is it. So we need to determine the capacity of the power supply unit that will be suitable for installation of this new computer system. That is question number 2. All right, let's move on now to the next question. The next question, we want to talk about if you want to use a system as a television set, you want to use your PC as a television set, what do you need to do? So the question says, describe the necessary activities to be carried out to use a PC as a television set. So describe briefly all the things needed to achieve that purpose. Then we move on to the 4th question and the 5th question. The first question, you are asked to list and describe 3 activities that can be regarded as computer software maintenance. You list these items and you describe them, what is to be done in each activity. 3 activities that can be regarded as computer software maintenance. Mind you, computer maintenance can be either hardware or software. In this situation, we are asking about the software maintenance. That's problem number 4. And number 5 is you need to explain briefly what the term compatibility actually means when it comes to upgrading the RAM module of a computer system. What do we mean by compatibility when we are upgrading the RAM module of a computer system? So you need to explain that. What do we call that? The total points in this test is 20 points. So the first question is 2 marks, that's 2 points. Question number 2, which is about the little calculation here to determine the capacity or the size of the power supply unit, is 6 marks. And question number 3 is 2 marks. Okay. And then question number 4 and 5, that's about the 2 of them together, it's about 10 marks. 2 of them together is about 10 marks. So that is it. Now, number 4 is like 6 marks. It's about 6 marks or 6.5 marks. It's about 6.5 marks. 6.5 marks. And then the last one is about 3.5. 3.5 marks. Okay, so that is it. And the total is 20 marks. So we'll get 20 points. You get 20 points for everything. So if you do it well, you will get a good grade here. So the total marks is about 20 points. So after this test, you can check your notes to also confirm whether you did well in the test, whether you got the questions right in this assessment. You can check your notes, your handouts, and the online videos that we gave on this channel. Do not forget to like and share this video. And this is ElectroTeach channel, the channel where we teach information about computer, electronics, computer instrumentation, and maths. So until another time, we say thanks for watching. Bye-bye.